Welcome to Git History Visualization. In this presentation, we will explore how to use graphical tools to visualize your repository's history. Let's dive in. Why should you visualize your Git history? There are many benefits to doing so. Firstly, it helps you understand complex branching structures. Secondly, it lets you track your project's evolution over time. Thirdly, you can identify merge conflicts more easily. Fourthly, you can collaborate more effectively with teams. And finally, it helps to debug issues by tracing changes. Here are some popular Git visualization tools. First, we have GitKraken, a cross-platform Git client with an intuitive interface and powerful visualization features. It offers both free and paid versions, and it comes with features like interactive graph, cross-platform support, and a merge conflict tool. Next, we have Sourcetree, a free Git client by Atlassian with a visual interface, simplifying Git operations and providing clear history visualization. It includes features like visual diff, Bitbucket integration, and Git flow support. Then there's Git Extensions, an open-source user interface tool for managing Git repositories, extending Visual Studio with Git functionality and standalone visualization. It features Visual Studio integration, is open source and is customizable. And finally, we have GitHub Desktop, a simplified Git client by GitHub focusing on essential workflows with clean visualization and GitHub integration. This includes GitHub integration, a simple interface, and pull request tools. Let's explore some command line visualization tools. One useful command is git log graph. This built-in Git command displays commit history as a text-based graph. The graph flag adds ASCII art to show the branching structure. Here is an example. Next, we have Git forsta. This Perl script enhances Git's log output with improved ASCII visualization, providing better branch and merge visualization than the standard Git log. Here are more command line visualization tools. TIG is a text mode interface for Git that provides an interactive and curses-based user interface for browsing Git repositories. It offers split views and keyboard navigation. Here's an example of its output. GitUp is a Git interface with a unique visualization approach. It features a live updating map view of your repository and quick actions for common operations. Let's examine some web-based visualization tools. GitGraph.js is a JavaScript library for creating customizable Git graph visualizations on web pages. It allows developers to build interactive Git history displays and includes features like JavaScript, customization, and interactivity. It can be found at gitgraphjs.com. Next up, we have GitHub Network Graph, a built-in visualization tool on GitHub that shows the network of commits and branches, providing a timeline view of repository activity. It includes GitHub integration, a timeline view, and requires no setup. This can be found at github.com/your-username/your-repository/network. Then we have Gorse, a software version control visualization tool that creates animated tree visualizations of Git repository history, showing files as nodes and developers as avatars. Features include animation, it's time-based, and has a developer focus. This can be found at gorse.io. Finally, we have GitViz, a real-time visualization tool that shows Git operations as they happen, helping you understand Git's internal object model and how commands affect the repository. This tool is real-time, educational, and focuses on the object model. It can be found at github.com/readfy/gitviz. Let's take a look at an example using GitKraken. In this slide, you can see a mock-up of the GitKraken interface. It visualizes branches using color-coded branches, which makes it easy to follow different lines of development. It has interactive commit nodes, which allows for easy exploration of changes. It provides visual merge indicators, which shows where branches have been merged together. Here are some best practices for Git history visualization. When it comes to branching strategies, The Git flow is a structured branching model with dedicated branches for features, releases, and hotfixes. GitHub Flow is a simpler approach with feature branches directly from main and regular deployments. And trunk-based development is where you have short-lived feature branches with frequent integration to main branch. Now let's examine visualization tips. It's recommended that you write meaningful commit messages that explain the why, not just the what. Make atomic commits, which makes each commit a logical unit of change to improve history readability. Use clean merges, use rebase or squash merges to maintain a cleaner, more linear history when appropriate. Let's summarize what we've covered and discuss some next steps. The key takeaways are that visualizing Git history improves understanding of project evolution and team collaboration. Also, there's a wide variety of tools available from command line to graphical user interface applications, each with its own unique strengths. Clean branching strategies and meaningful commits create more useful visualizations. If you're eager to learn more, here are some further learning resources, including the Pro Git book available at git-scm.com/book, Visualizing Git available at git-school, github.io/visualizing-git, and Learn Git Branching available at learngitbranching.js.org. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.